Welcome to this algebra lesson on the product rule for exponents. Today, we are going to learn how to multiply terms that have the same base by simply adding their exponents. It is a fundamental shortcut that makes simplifying algebraic expressions much faster. First, let us quickly review the parts of a power. In the expression x to the power of 3, x is called the base. This is the number that is being multiplied. The small number, 3, is the exponent. It tells you exactly how many times to multiply the base by itself. To understand the rule, let us look at what multiplication really means. If we have x squared times x cubed, we can expand it. X squared is just x times x, and x cubed is x times x times x. When you multiply them all together, you simply have 5 x's in a row. So, the result is x to the power of 5. This leads us to the official product rule formula. It states that if you are multiplying two powers with the exact same base, you keep the base the same and add the exponents. So, x to the power of a times x to the power of b is equal to x to the power of a plus b. Let us try this with real numbers. Suppose we have 2 cubed times 2 to the power of 4. Instead of calculating the huge numbers first, we just use the rule. We keep the base 2, and we add the exponents 3 plus 4. The answer is 2 to the power of 7. It works exactly the same way with variables. For y to the 5th times y squared, we just add 5 and 2 to get y to the 7th. Also, watch out for single variables like a. Remember that a actually has an invisible exponent of 1. So a cubed times a is really a cubed times a to the 1st power, which equals a to the 4th. Things get a little more interesting when you have numbers in front, called coefficients. For example, 3x squared times 4x to the 5th. Here, you must treat the coefficients and the exponents differently. You multiply the big numbers, 3 times 4 is 12. Then, you add the exponents, 2 plus 5 is 7. So the result is 12x to the 7th. Here is the most common mistake students make. When multiplying 2 cubed times 2 to the 4th, do not multiply the bases to get 4. That is incorrect. The base must stay the same. You only add the exponents. Let us summarize. When multiplying terms with the same base, add the exponents. The base remains unchanged. If there are coefficients, multiply those normal numbers separately. And never forget the invisible exponent of 1 on single variables. Now it is your turn. Pause the video here and try these 4 practice problems to test your understanding. Remember the rule, keep the base, and add the exponents. Good luck.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.